Hey everybody, it's Bobby Spags, your MC from the MPP, here with your preparedness PSA of the day. Today's practical survival announcement is make good friends. They will teach you amazing skills. I am here with Pete. Pete, tell us a little bit about what we're about to do.
Oh, we're going to try and brand some wood.
We're going to brand some wood, not cattle, wood. All right, check out the setup, guys. Pete, how hot does your furnace get to?
That one will get to about 1800 out here in the wild. Generally, propane forge will get hotter than that. This one, sitting out here in the open,
Yeah.
it's not going to make the heat, but it'll be plenty for what we're doing here.
Yep. I have a double forge. Those get to about 2200 because they're contained and they have just a small hole at the top of their vertical. But this is something I've never done before.
Well, here you go.
All right, we're going to do something.
All you.
This could be the first time. I'm not going to just grab it though, so I'm assuming there's gloves, right? Or can I just grab it?
It'll be cold.
No kidding. It isn't fancy.
No.
Okay.
Thing is getting the wood, so
You tell me what.
it'll take a bit to warm up.
All right, you tell me what to do and when to do it, and we will do this.
Safety is always number one priority.
Safety is number one rule, priority.
Yes.
Unless you're in Soviet Russia.
This is the undisputed dessert queen of Kansas from Minnesota.
Minnesota.
Yeah. But she's in Kansas. She's hanging out with us Kansans. And that is Matthew. Matthew, how old are you? He's 14, but he's actually 35, trapped in the body of a 14-year-old.
Oh, that's an invitation, Pete.
I know, right? So here, what?
So hanging out with him. So glad you found us.
Says nice ass.
Whoa, okay. Well, I mean, it's not
By the
wrong.
way, we're going to be doing this. Pete and Tina created brands that we're going to be making these awesome, gigantic cup coasters for the Nephilim.
Yeah, true story. for when our Nephilim masters
For the
come back,
Giants return. Big cups on big coasters.
There you go.
we start rebuilding pyramids in America.
There you go. Fire there.
ASMR. It's hot. It's getting close. I bet Todd won't grab that one.
Haha, the Todd would grab that in two hands.
He would.
Just like he did the Whisker Biscuit on the side of his AR-15, not realizing it was loose.
Oh my God! He found out that day that he could get an octave that he didn't know he could achieve.
Yep. By the way, while we're waiting, quick shout out to our famous street artist known as Brian Jordan. Wearing his newest Into the Fire, Into the Storm t-shirt.
Rooted resilience, baby.
We can do a tree. That's kind of cool.
Ooh, that would be really cool.
Yep.
Next time on Burning Stuff with Pete and Tina
Burning stuff in wood.
in
Pete,
wood.
Tina, and wood.
You want to do one, or you want me to do one? Or
Show me what to do, sir.
It's hot.
That is
with a little sandpaper, and they'll take
all that char off.
It'll look beautiful.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
natural environment. What do you want to say to your adoring fans out in the world?
You love Busch Light.
Beer. Beer.
Amaretto and Pepsi, man.
Okay. Camping and beer. Festivals and beer. All right.
Down here.
Let's see, Bobby. Gonna burn some wood.
Don't touch the end, man.
All right. Yeah. Right.
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice one.
Okay. This one. All right.
Yeah, this actually was done. It wasn't as dark as that. This one actually was done.
And now for the real magic. The acronym in itself on top of the logo for faith, family, and fellowship.
This is where you find your tribe right here, guys. Midwest Preparedness Project.
Or honorary fund, or fund.
Hey, it's Will!
Wizard Will.
Wizard Will in his natural environment. Will, say it. Do the thing. Do the thing.
You couldn't see him because of the reflector.
Oh! Where's his pink net?
You gotta cast your magic spell.
Horrible.
Poof.
That's right.
You do look like the classic wizard.
He does, right? I thought you looked more like the wizard from Baldur's Gate 3, but
Wizard.
Wizard arrives exactly when he is meant to.
Right now. Bullshit happened.
Really unless bullshit.
When we're done, we'll ride off on our death scooters. Our death scooter squad.
Death Scooter Squad.
Oh, I will not ride that with a brand in hand. No way.
Can we joust while we're holding these red hot on our death scooters?
Well,
No.
we figured we'd take that one and make you drop your trowel and actually rain.
Okay.
Would you like Midwest Preparedness Project right across
Right in your
right
butt,
into
man.
the sweet meat?
Only if you do it on your death scooter at about 40 miles an hour.
That'll be the
Will our
next thing you
insurance
have to
cover
be
this?
branded to come.
I don't think the insurance will cover that.
No, I'm over it.
It's like Yellowstone. When you leave the group, he's gonna do John Dunkling last some guy.
All right, very cool, very cool. This is way cool.
Tattoo, baby.
So Pete, how hard was it to make these brands?
They take some time. Not difficult, just takes.
So like
8-hour night.
Yeah.
8 hours to make one of those?
on this one, this particular brand, so 8 hours a piece?
That's the total without putting them on the handles.
Wow.
And then he also made the handles
Yeah,
on them
yeah.
as well.
He's one of the handiest guys we know. Skills. Yes,
Look at that
here.
MWPP in that fire. Look at that.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
so cool.
So Pete, aside from making brands, what else do you typically make when you're doing this stuff?
Oh, we dabble in a little bit of everything. Obviously, we're making trivets for something to do today. We're making hooks for something to do. We make a few knives. That's just okay. We make most of our own tooling.
I think
We're close to professional. We just do this as a hobby, something to play with.
well, I'd say it's a pretty cool hobby, and you're doing really cool things, Pete.
He even had us doing things last year.
Yeah. I think you guys, you and Will, you twisted some metal, and Will made a cigar. I mean, what was it, a pipe holder?
Yep. So
Yeah.
William made a knife.
I made a
Very
flower.
nice.
She made flour.
I
Trivet.
made a flower.
You made
Came
a
up with the
flower.
concept last night. and made it.
Very
Threw it
cool.
to the fire. There's another one over there. 4-1.
Yeah, we showed that one on the film just now. We did not show that one. All right, ready? All right. Above or below? We'll go below.
Wherever you want.
Fire for that fire.
So here's the cigar lighter. Or no, the pipe.
Yeah.
The pipe lighter.
Pipe
This is
lighter.
what William made last time.
Wow, that is really
type
cool.
too. I'm gonna have to do one of those eventually.
Yeah.
Way cool. What kind of metal is this, Tina?
You'd have that at the boss, but I do not know.
Boss man, what kind of metal are we twisting here?
That is super cool.
That's just wrought iron, or just standard mild steel. Sorry, mild
Okay.
steel.
This too?
That's mild steel. Yep.
Mild steel.
Mild steel, and then so you like something like that. You get it super hot.
You see it?
Put it in the vise. You twist it a few times. Like, I love that.
Beat the crap out of it.
Yep.
Because you can look at the end of it.
Hammer forge it.
He drew it out. He had to draw this part out, draw it out,
Yep.
and then he twisted it into that, and then bent it, and twisted it again. Not twisted it this way, but twisted it, and then made the handle.
That is pretty amazing. So this was way longer, right?
Correct, and it was also flat. So if you see it, it's flat. So twist it into a I don't know, rose or a bud, like
Yep.
that. I guess it would be a bud.
So how many light his pipe with this? You put a coal in there.
Mr. William.
Yes.
Your presence is required, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wizard.
Show them how you would use that.
Oh, I gotta warm it up.
He's got to warm it up first.
Okay, so he puts it in the fire and then just uses it as like
Pretty much like an old cigarette lighter in a car, but
Yeah.
without connecting to the electrical circuit of your battery, it's in the fire.
it's a manual cigarette
It's
lighter.
a manual it's a manual pipe lighter.
Pipe lighter.
Cigarettes are for the goy. We, as elevated ascendant ones, only smoke quality tobacco.
That's fair. Totally
God, that's
fair.
beautiful. Look at that. Look at the detail you got in there.
Yeah, it looks really good.
That is absolutely gorgeous. So then it will wind up being like
Yep. Hit it with some nice fine sandpaper. Man, that's beautiful.
the detail in it is gorgeous.
Way cool,
There's
guys.
also that record too.
Yep. I like them both.
I do too. That's why they're on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful
Where do you
detail.
want? Where do you want your date?
Where do I want my date?
Yep.
You want it on this one? You want it offset?
You tell me where you want it.
Right there. You want it back up on the anvil? That'd be easier?
Oh yeah, that looks really good. Yeah. Oh, great.
Now, you see what that was?
Roman numerals.
Thank you for being on.
Nice. That is so cool. I'm so glad we finally got a chance to come over and do this.
That on there.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do all of the things.
Want to play this game?
Sure.
Everybody. Love you guys. Sam, how you doing?
You're going to tell me what to do here.
Yes, Sam. Yes, we do. Why don't you come on, join us if you're not already here? Rosie, what's up, baby? How you doing, girl?
One pair of tongs.
Miss you.
Grabs the end.
Hope you guys are doing good. Hope Zach's doing good. All right, here we go. I'm gonna flip this around. Bobby's gonna put a date on his.
Like that?
Yep. You got it.
You are a natural.
Still got your eyebrow?
I do.
Good.
I do have my own double forge, but I do metals. I make coins and bars. So this is all new to me.
Yeah, bring stuff down and have
What we should do is get together sometime where you bring all this, I bring the double forge. We do metals, and we do this, and all the stuff over a day of like.
I probably have over 100 pounds of weight for it.
Nice.
So
it is.
So
Quality.
Bobby, we have a question from the live chat. So Sam Russell asks, hello, do you allow the gays?
Well, we're obviously flaming. I mean, what do you want me to say to that?
There's a gay here.
Yeah, what's up? How you doing? Yeah.
Tell Sam if he is what the gays are, he can come hang out.
Sam, do you hear that?
Only if his name's Sam.
I hear if your name is Sam that you're HIV positive.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Hey, he brought it up. It's not my problem.
It's a true story.
Love you, Sam. Hope to see you soon.
Sam, you better get out here.
All my sanding discs are buried somewhere. So we'll go new school.
Yeah. Well, that cleans up nice.
That's amazing.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh.
Show me that. Let me.
Look at that, guys.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Pete?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sirs.
Yes.
Check
Amazing.
this out. Pete and Spags burning wood in the woods.
In the woods.
In the woods.
Yes. Yeah, fantastic.
All right.
Beautiful, beautiful,
Guys,
beautiful.
this is what you're going to get when you come to Midwest Preparedness. Get your ass off the couch, put down the Xbox controller, turn off the NFL, stop spending your time with people who want you dead, and come hang out with real people like us.
Yep.
Be with good friends.
Good friends.
Absolutely.
Fair, buddy.
Turn off the TV and grow a tomato. All right, that's it. You heard it, guys. All right, we're going to sign off for the evening. Hope you all have a fantastic evening. If you guys aren't out here by tomorrow, that's all right. You have till Saturday to get out of here. A lot of great classes, a lot of great speakers, a lot of great workshops. We have kids events, we have food trucks. There are, oh my gosh, there's probably
There's a crap ton.
all kinds of things to do. Yep. Love you guys. Have a great night. We appreciate you. Midwest Preparedness Project out.